Every winning team starts with a winning uniform. At Globactive Trading Company, we turn your ideas into high-performance sportswear. We choose premium fabrics for maximum comfort, breathability, and durability. Our experts, craftsmen, bring precision and passion to every stitch. Custom designs, team colors, and your identity. Perfect printed every time. From our workshop to your team, on time, every time. Your game, your style, your uniform, made by Globactive Trading Company. Contact us today.